Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the truth behind why Tesla stock really crashed. At least this is just my opinion, and could be somewhat clickbait, but just hear me out. It's just an interesting theory. It's not, something that is 100%. So let's begin. But before I talk about it, I just want to say the latest season on Attack on Titans is so good. It's driving me crazy. The last season was kind of boring, but this season is freaking awesome. I don't know if anybody watches Attack on Titans, but it's a pretty awesome series overall. I really like it. I really enjoy it. A lot of violence, a lot of people dying. Yeah. I don't know. It's just a very intense show. So I think so the Shanghai factory is looking very, very nice. They've been the Chinese people are like miracle workers. They work 24/7. This factory is consistently being constructed on 24/7. In the United States, they don't do that after midnight or after 8 or 9 o'clock. Construction is shut down. But the Chinese are different. They have so much people that they can consistently rotate shifts and get projects like the Gigafactory up and running and operational way faster than the Americans can do it, because they have the cheap labor workforce in China. And Chinese people are very hard workers, and they work for a lot less than what Americans make. But then, the expenses are also a lot less too. But Chinese workers are very, very hard workers. They take their job very seriously. And that's why the Gigafactory is developing so fast. But I think the biggest reason is the whole trade war deal between US and China could affect Tesla. China could come to Tesla and be like, we're not allowing you to build cars here anymore. We're gonna tax you or some kind of bullshit. It could be possible because there's a trade war between China and Trump, and recently Trump just made Alphabet revoke the Hawaii Android license. The Hawaii phones will still be working under Android, but I think future phones, Huawei is not allowed to put Android on their phones, so they're gonna have to find a brand new operating system on their their future phones. And that's that I think China's not too happy about this, and I think China might retaliate with possibly Tesla. But Tesla really relies on China being successful. If they can succeed in China, they will double their revenues. They will probably become profitable cash flow. Maybe. I'm not 100% positive, but they will definitely be able to produce a lot more cars and sell a lot more cars. Like if they have the Gigafactory up in China, they will basically be able to produce at least 10,000 cars a week, or even more, like over 10,000, or even like 15,000 cars a week. That is a lot of cars. That would generate a lot of revenue and possibly profit. There's a whole video here, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. And then, once the entire Gigafactory is complete, this is what it looks like. These are the Elon Musk semi-trailer factory, electric semi-trailers. But it's gonna look nice. I think Tesla will do extremely well. But if they can get up the Gigafactory in Shanghai, but there's problems right now. There's huge cash burn rates. There's a whole trade war between China and US, and it's just Tesla stock is under extreme pressure. There's a lot of people selling the stock, and I don't know if this is the end. This could be the end. This could be, the opportunity, or it could go down further. I don't know for sure. Nobody really knows for sure. We'll see if this is the end or if this will plummet down further. My wishful thinking is I hope Tesla stock actually goes down further. But that's wishful thinking. I don't know if this will actually happen. We'll see if this will happen. I don't know. Maybe this is the end. Maybe it'll start going up. I still have my 300 shares of Tesla. So if it goes up, great. I make back my money. If it goes down, great. I get more opportunities to buy at a better price. Even though it's risky, yes, it's risky. I could lose all my money. Tesla could bankrupt because, you know, their balance sheet doesn't look very nice. They owe a lot of money. I honestly don't think they will go bankrupt. I think somebody will want to buy Tesla company and take on that debt. But that's just my opinion. You know, the whole trade war deal. So and then today the market was down mainly because of the Huawei ban. I think tomorrow is going to be an ugly day. I think pretty much the whole May we're going to have a pretty ugly May. The start of June might be ugly too, but I think around September, maybe October, it'll get better, but I could be wrong. We'll see what goes on in the market in the coming future. Yeah. Tesla after hours is down $1.01, so not looking too good. At least NIO is kind of like following the Tesla stock kind of. I'd be more worried if NIO didn't go down and NIO was going up and Tesla was going down. It wouldn't make any sense to me. But both Tesla and NIO going down, it makes a lot more sense. So yeah. Afria is down a penny. Afria was down big time today, down 2.93%. I'm not sure why it went down so much, but I think it was partly due to the entire cannabis market being down. You know, Canopy was probably the biggest reason why, because Canopy was down $1.34. You know, if you look at the chart, it's like touching the Bollinger Band, so it should bounce soon, but the RSI level is only at 40, and there's a possibility of further sell-off. I think eventually there will be an opportunity. I'm thinking a huge resistance line would be between around $40.73, but that's just my opinion. We'll see if that actually happens, but it looks like the market overall is actually going on sale. So I don't know if, the summer sale still might go on for Canopy and Aurora. So anything's possible in my opinion. Karn was down too, but not as much as the other players. Hexo was neutral today, didn't really move anywhere, traded sideways. Qualcomm pissed me off. They had to plummet as soon as I sold my put option. I wish I put another put option on them. I would have been up like 50% right now. If I put a put option at $86, I would have been up big time, but I didn't, and sucks. Should have put another put option on Qualcomm. I knew Qualcomm biggest business is China, so I knew Qualcomm had. Well, I have a feeling Qualcomm's gonna go down. I think Qualcomm's gonna eventually fill this gap that's down here somewhere. At least this is my opinion. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Oh crap, only 9 minutes and 18 seconds. I almost not too much to talk about. So just a review. I think that the Gigafactory is a big future catalyst for Tesla. But if this trade war goes on and China does something to interfere with Tesla, I think the market is pricing that in right now. They're pricing in the fact that there's a trade war and Tesla relies heavily on China. to succeed in China, because they're spending so much money in China right now to set up these factories, to build a business. And if there's something goes wrong, that could be the end of Tesla. If something goes wrong in China, I think that's it. I think that's the end of Tesla. So it's really risky. So that's why I think the market is trying to price that in right now. At least it's just my opinion, not not real facts. This is just me speculating in a sense. I don't know, but I do know that Tesla really needs China. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.